can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to be talking about the Supreme Nike collaboration, which is going to be coming out for this upcoming week, which is week 8. I'm actually kind of let down by the collaboration, but I will cover that in a little bit. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, man, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Also, make sure you click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Make sure you go ahead and click the Gleam link at the top of the description if you're trying to enter in a Supreme cards and a Supreme tee giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel and follow the homie Supreme Ricks on Instagram and slap a like on this video, and that's it, bro. But with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. I do want to say that this video is sponsored by the homies over at Into the AM. They actually have some pretty sick ass clothing for really affordable prices that I do want to go ahead and show you real quick. This first one I'm gonna show you is the push through tee. Pretty much is this hand with like the galaxy going through it. Pretty sick if you ask me. The quality of this piece is actually really good as well. You can tell that they care about their pieces because they do have a sticker on here as the tag. You also do have more branding on the back right there. Here's a close-up of the front of the tee. I did decide to go with a XXL just to have like a super oversized fit. I feel like it's a way better, more cartoony feel to the galaxy theme that a lot of people use. I really do love this piece. It even has a little bit of detail on the bottom as well. This is a clean ass shirt and you guys definitely will be seeing me wear this one. Cannot go wrong. Major shout out to Into the AM for hooking it up with both of these tees right here. We do have this other tee which is the basic logo tee, and this one basically has their logo on the chest right there, and that's pretty much it on this piece. It does also have that little detail at the bottom, and once again the tag is a sticker, which is pretty sick. This is another piece that you could just wear on a day-to-day basis, something that you could wear more simple, and I feel like you could wear it with a lot. It's just a little logo on the chest that you could easily pull off. They also did send me this sticker pack right here, which I will open. This one right here is hard. You got that Into the AM, this wolf sticker, like a tropical galaxy feel, an astronaut. These stickers are fire, bro. Stay inspired right there on the front. And I do want to give a major shout out to Into the AM for sponsoring this video, and I will leave a link at the top of the description if you guys are trying to check out any of their items. But let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So obviously the first thing we got to cover is the Supreme Nike collaboration that is going to be dropping this week. They're going to be coming out in 3 different colorways. The first thing I'm going to talk about is the Air Max Pluses. Honestly, bro, from the leaks that I saw, I thought they would come out with better colorways. That triple black color had me sold. Honestly, bro, I'm good on these shits. The white pair is going to be coming out November 1st, so they're not going to release this week with the initial sneakers, but we do have 3 different colorways. This like neon green with this Knicks colorway on it almost. It does spell out Supreme, and I feel like it's cool, bro, but at the end of the day, it's a little bit too loud for me. I honestly don't even wear Air Max Pluses, so if I was gonna buy a pair, it was gonna be the black ones. I feel like you could low-key freak the white ones, but I'm good, bro. Them shit's gonna get dirty, and the only all-white sneaker that I own and wanna own are Forces, bro. That's all I need in the white color. But if you can see on the side, they do spell out Supreme and like this squiggly almost font. It's clean. Honestly, the better colorways out of the 2 loud ones is the black and pink, black and reddish, I guess you would say. Those are cool, but I just feel like I can't see myself going for it. I know that these are obviously gonna sell out. I don't know how resale would be at first. Down the line, hey, people might be freaking with these, but I feel like the better ones when it comes to resale aren't even dropping this week, and it is the white with the red. I feel like they should have at least made the font red on this one. I don't know, do something with it, but it's an all-white sneaker. I think I'm good on this one. We are also gonna see some hats drop with the same design on the side. They basically have that Supreme squiggly webbed design on it. I feel like it's cool, but at the end of the day, these are a dub, bro. The black colorway is cheeks. The neon one, let's not even talk about it, bro. And then the white one is cool, but bro, I know you're gonna be sweaty wearing this hat. Like, you not trying to wear a yellow hat, and that's exactly what this shit gonna turn into. We good on that, bro. I feel like in general, the collab is just mediocre, bro. A lot of people are gonna go for it. It doesn't have that many downvotes, but at the end of the day, I feel like they could have done so much better. We could have had at least the Laker design that we saw in the mock-ups. That would have been better, low-key. But that's pretty much it for the collab. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about some possibilities for this week. I feel like this patchwork reversible jacket jacket might drop this week. We have been seeing Gons skate around in the jacket, and low-key I saw it on a couple leak Instagrams probably hinting that this jacket might release this week. It's not guaranteed, I don't know, but a lot of people are saying that this week is gonna be another banger. So I'm assuming that this jacket might come out. Being that this jacket is gonna be super hype, I feel like resale is gonna be through the roof on this jacket. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. This one definitely does look clean, and I feel like down the line this one will go crazy. I'm definitely gonna try to go for this piece if it does end up releasing, and there's nothing better that I would like to go for. But honestly, I'm trying to rack up on some accessories because I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did low-key add another row to my sneaker containers. I had to put the off-whites in here. Come on, stop playing with me. I had to go ahead and get that, and my girl low-key reorganized this shit for me, so I feel like I'm missing some accessories in this region right there. I'm gonna probably try to get some more accessories as the season goes on because I don't want to remove any from that shelf that I have over there. That's a whole side conversation, but at the end of the day, I feel like this jacket is hard, and if it does release, resale is gonna be through the roof for both colorways, but especially for the one with the red little box logo on it. That one is hard. We are also seeing that Kith is gonna do a collaboration with BMW. I want to see how exactly that comes out. We've been seeing that they're gonna do like this toy car. That shit looks fire. Low-key, if I'm able to get that, I definitely would, but I know that retail just be through the roof, so I'm not even trying to do all that, bro. Like, no, bro, I'm not trying to pay $100 for a toy car. That's beside the point though. I feel like the whole collaboration would be fire. Kith normally kills shit. Like the Looney Tunes collab, I was trying to go for that, but shit sold out way too quick for me to even have a shot. It is also rumored that we're gonna see another undefeated Air Max release in 2021 or the holiday season this year. These are alright, but they're definitely not better than the first black and white pair or the white, black, and red pair. This is like, if you didn't get those, you could get these, but those are definitely better. Low-key, I'm still trying to get those, I'm not even gonna lie, but these undefeated Air Maxes are still hard. I believe these are the 98s or 97s. I don't really know my Air Maxes too well, but I do feel like these are clean, and at the end of the day, whenever they do drop, people are gonna go for these, including myself. I just feel like I don't really need another olive pair of sneakers. Like, come on, bro, this is all the olive you need right there. But this is a fire sneaker nonetheless, and resale will be there, guaranteed. Don't even doubt it 1 second. We're also seeing that for holiday 2020, we're gonna be seeing another CPFM collab with Nike, this time on a Dunk Low, and I feel like a lot of celebrities have been wearing this sneaker right here, so it probably is gonna release, and resale will be there, bro. Kylie Jenner was wearing these shits. I feel like Travis or another person of high ass stature was wearing these shits, so you can almost guarantee that these are gonna resell for crazy numbers. I feel like I'll probably end up trying to go for them, and honestly, I don't even really like them all that, but I feel like if I do get them, I would sell them and probably buy the community garden dunks because those are so fire. We do have official pictures of the wholesale collection for the Jordan 5s that are gonna be coming out. I believe those are gonna drop, I forgot, bro, I think it's like October 20 something. I don't really remember off the back of my head. I will try to put it down here for you guys, but there's gonna be a whole collection centered around the actual sneaker, and I feel like the collection isn't even that bad. It's pretty much the same shit they did for the black ones in the sale colorway this time, except that they're adding this fire ass shirt, which the shirt is actually hard. You kind of got Michael Jordan on there shooting the ball, and like this almost like pencil, like hand drawn. This is clean, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I feel like the shirt is definitely gonna go for beans, and I'm good on it, bro. But the hoodie is fire. You got that off-white on the wings logo, then you got that off-white like arrow design, fire. Nonetheless, definitely a clean ass piece, and I feel like retail is gonna be up, but resale is gonna be even higher. We do got the off-white 5s in the sale colorway. This is something that I do want to talk to you guys about. I wonder what you guys think. Do you guys like the sale colorway or the black colorway? I want to know where your head is at with that. I honestly like the black ones more. I feel like the black bottom on the sale colorway just kind of throws me off, and the yellowed eyelids are too yellow. It's almost like a piss yellow when you haven't drank water for like a week. This looks kind of bad. I do like the yellowed idea, like the whole aging theme, but this is just a little bit too much, bro. Like he took it a little too far. He took piss yellow soles to the next level. Low key, if your pee is coming out this color, you should go see a doctor because this is a little bit too pissy on the yellow. Like we good on that, but they're alright, I guess. I feel like some people will lean towards this. Out of all the Jordan off-white 4s, off-white 5s, my favorites have to be the Jordan 4 sale and then the Jordan 5 in the metallic colorway. That's kind of the order that I would put them. These definitely do go last. Hey, it's just not my favorite, bro. But I'm gonna go ahead and talk about this last bit of news for you guys, and it is the fact that in 2021 we're gonna see the University Blue Dunk lows. These are gonna go crazy, especially with the fact that Off-White did a Jordan 1 in that whole university blue color. Whenever these do drop, that's kind of like reminiscent to that, and it's all gonna correlate with those prices. If you guys have seen, the Carolina blue Jordan 1s used to go for like 200, 160, 180. I used to always see those on eBay when I was looking for sneakers, and now them shits are going for low-key like $1,000. It's crazy what hype can do to a sneaker, and I feel like this Dunk Low is gonna have that same effect, especially with Dunks going so hard now, like the Syracuse ones, the Kentuckys, the UNLVs, I think they're called, the red ones. Those are all going for so much money. Considering that they retail for $100, it's honestly insane, bruh. I would not pay $400 for a Dunk that initially costed $100. That's just not happening over here. Only the community garden ones, those shits are hard, bro. But I guess that pretty much does it for this video, low key. I do want to say, go ahead and check out Into the AM. They're gonna be linked at the top of the description for sending me those fire ass tees. Make sure you go ahead and slap a fat like on this video if you did enjoy. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. But before we get out of here, make sure you go ahead and click the Gleam link at the top of the description if you're trying to enter in a Supreme giveaway for some cards and a tee. You definitely don't want to miss out on this one. All you have to do is slap a like on the video, subscribe down below, and follow Supreme Ricks on Instagram. The link will be in the description for the giveaway and for Into the AM. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.